Aloha! We're back in California. It's so nice out, the weather's great. It's not as great as Hawaii, I will say. Maui was unreal. I kind of filmed it in a way where I wasn't talking a lot. I didn't want to film the whole trip talking the whole time. So I just filmed like the highlights and just really like took in the moments of Hawaii while filming some stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Yes, I'm back here and playing with the tropics. It's been probably close to a month again, or a few weeks at least since my last game. The last game was really good. We did struggle a lot with new players, and I had a lot of shots, and it was a little frustrating, but it was a lot of fun. It was very tiring at the same time. To be a good video, I think we're playing against the Phantoms. Yeah, it should be a good video. Thanks for all the support. Thank you guys for all the likes and the comments. If you guys are enjoying the content, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to leave a comment because I will read all the comments. Yeah. I also have another game coming up on Thursday. I think I'm filling in for a team out in Toyota, the El Segundo, for Silver AAA. For anybody who keeps track of the content or knows of hockey in California, it's a pretty high league, fun league. So we'll see how this one goes. Hopefully I can make some good highlight reel saves, and we're gonna hop right into the video.
Sorry about that. I didn't mean to get...
No warm up and no stretch, or a little bit of a stretch. Snapshot loser, dude.
A few minutes later.
That's how I feel. We just scored to make it 3-1. 16.5 minutes left in the second period. We just scored to make it 3-2. 16 minutes left in the second period. We just scored to make it 3-3. 15 minutes left in the second period.